Guys, what's up? It's today I'm going to be pranking my dad by honking the horn. Alright, you ready? Set, go. Ready? Right, ready, set, go. Okay, I'm gonna get back in my seat because my dad is like very strict about it. Alright, so I just honked as y'all heard. My dad was like, what the? You know what I mean. Oh my god. Can't believe I just did that. God, I'm gonna transport this to Fun and Mate too. I did it! He's in the corner store and I just honked the horn. Do y'all dare me to do it again? Nah, I ain't gonna do it again. Alright, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming. He's coming with the weird face. Hey, Dad!
That's it!
Did you hear me honk?
You better not!
Look at my dad! I'm putting it on YouTube too.
You better quit honking that horn! You ready? I'm gonna honk it.
I honked it louder. Did you hear that?
You better not! Take this receipt and do this survey.
I posted me honking the horn on YouTube.
Oh, I ran over that bird.
What the heck?
Got you that.
Ooh, but I'm gonna do more diarrhea.
Show your little YouTube friends that I bought you.
Alright, open this now. Now.
Negative.
Negative. I need somewhere to put my camera. Or do I just put it like this? I don't know.
Almost done.
I honked the horn! I got in your driver's seat and honked the horn and then went back to my passenger seat.
Bad, bad, bad.
My daddy's a big weirdo and I love it.
This is the music.
Okay. Oh my gosh!
I'm coming over!
Excuse me!
Every red light. Hell with the closure! Late or another time!
Excuse me!
This summer with the 16K a day payday. Need extra cash for that family vacation? A new car or whatever you need? 2018 isn't the year to work harder. Just listen longer to KJ97, San Antonio's #1 review country.
My dad's eating while driving.
Every hour from 5:10 a.m. to 8:10 p.m. weekdays. The most free money right here on San Antonio's #1 review country. KJ97. Official rules and more info at KJ97.com. The 16K a day payday powered by Toyota of Bernie. ToyotaofBernie.com. It's fast, convenient, it's easy. Shop hundreds of our most popular Toyotas at ToyotaofBernie.com. Pick your color, pick your option.
What's up?
In store. I-10 exit 543 in Bernie. ToyotaofBernie.com.
Our Country Festival by AT&T returns to Boston on May 5th to celebrate the world of country music.
What's up, people?
Tickets are on sale now, but you could win your way.
I'm coming over, running every red light.
Dad, open my door for once. I'm gonna honk. He's like this.
You better cut it out, goofball bag.
That's what you get. We're taking so long to open my door and I'll keep on doing it. Oh my god. What's the password?
Quiet, you.
Excuse me? You do not talk to me like that. Stop it. Dun dun dun. Excuse me. Excuse me. All right, laggy in here now. Well, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this hideous video of me honking the horn while my dad's all mad at me. Well, bye now.